what my spoiled dogs eat in a day. First, we had some wet dog food. Then, some crunchy carrots. Not everybody loves them, but Hanny sure does. Chicken breast for jerky. Okay, we finally got all the little chicken pieces rolled up and cut up and placed on the tray. We got like 3 layers here. Bruiser! Hanny gets it. Okay, Bruiser, your turn. Gotta get one that's the right. Wow! Later on, we had some Kobe jack cheese. This is Bruiser's favorite. And to end the night, we had some really delicious watermelon. This would be Hanny's favorite.